Hey guys, it's Chris from Socket Roll, and we have just a few minutes to talk about the features of our new Socket Roll Pro. So let's talk about what sets Socket Roll Pro apart from any other socket storage device on the market. First, we are made in the USA with USA materials. Second, mil-spec elastic is on these rows, which means it'll be a little bit harder to get your sockets in at first, but it's not going to wear out like your underwear. Third, with Socket Roll rolled up, 20 inches by 4 of needed storage space. Socket Roll Pro is double-layered 600D polyester with PVC backing, which gives it excellent abrasion and fluid resistance. This hard part back here is a plastic strip made of HDPE, which means it gives it Socket Roll a little bit more form and protects your tools. So Socket Roll Pro holds a total of 66 pieces. That's 50 for sockets and all 3 drives, 3 for ratchets, 7 for your accessories, and 6 for the wrenches on the back side. And that's not even the best part. We also included a patented locking stitch mechanism, which locks your sockets in place when you insert them. So next I want you to check out the numbering. Now it's always a pain when you're looking for a specific socket size in any bag, so we took it a step further and numbered it for you. All 3 drives, metric and standard, and oh yeah, that's not coming off. Now this next feature is more of a request from our customers, but because we had so many, we just had to incorporate it. Say hello to the Socket Roll Pro wrench slots. Now this isn't just a hole cut into fabric. No. This is a pocket within a pocket. You take the wrench, slide it in nice and easy, stays in there snug. All right, that's our time. Thank you for taking a look at Socket Roll Pro, and if you have any questions or just want to reach out and say hey, hit us up on socketroll.com.